when we're talking about the healing powers of these herbs, you need sometimes something called a therapeutic dose. See how much herb is going on in this vat?
It's a heaping cup of herb that we have just poured hot water over. And this would be an example of a steeping of herb, right? Just kind of like Denise got. This is what most of our used to, could be in the tea bag. And in just a few minutes, and anything that's light, delicate, aromatic, like peppermint, like chamomile, like nettles, these types of things.
Generally the flowers.
Flowers, yeah.
And leafy green herbs that are rich in essential oils. Because the next step is, you've got an infusion going on here too, hey Malcolm?
Okay, so I distinguish two different methods. I'll call one a steep, and I'll call the other an infusion. And so this is the exact same amount of herb. The only and same temperature essentially. The only difference variable is time. So an infusion, you can let it sit longer overnight. And where this one, we're getting a nice, good, strong extraction off of it, but I can still see through that, right? And it's only been there maybe 30 seconds. We'll go on a minute, 2-3 minutes like we normally do with our tea bags. But the exact same herb where I prepared this last night, you cannot see through that at all. It's just so much darker, so much richer. It pulls so much more of the properties out. And infusions are great, especially for herbs, and very nutritive, right? They provide a ton of minerals, like nettles, like raspberry leaf, oat straw.
Nettles is considered very nutritive herb. So one of the healing benefits is the amazing content of minerals that you're delivering into the body. But it's not just a little tea bag you need of it, right? Just a little tea bag, you're not going to get the amazing quantities of iron that can reverse anemic conditions, right? You need an actual cup of dried herb per liter of water, basically, with these nutritive herbs. Some of the other nutritive herbs are, raspberry leaf,